Hello my dear students. Today I will discuss about components of motherboard. The topic is computer hardware components part 2. The next slide is about components of motherboard. Power supply SMPS. It stands for switch mode power supply. It is an electronic device that converts electrical power from one form to another form with necessary characteristics, that is AC to DC and vice versa, using switching devices. The next is about modem. Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. Modem is a device that converts digital signal to analog signal at the time of transmitting and converts analog signal to digital signal at the time of receiving. Modems are two types: internal modems and external modems. The next slide is about disk drives and ports. What is disk drives? The hard disk drive and CD/DVD drives are fixed inside the CPU box. Ports. Ports are slots on the motherboard into which a cable of external device is plugged in, such as the mouse, keyboard, monitor, microphone and speaker, etc. to the computer. The next slide is about external hardware. What is external hardware? The external hardware of a computer are also known as peripheral devices, and its components are the following. Number 1, input devices. Number 2, output devices. Number 3, removable storage devices. Number 1, input devices. The input device is a device through which the information enters into a computer system. Keyboard. Keyboard is one of the main and most commonly used input device in a computer. A keyboard is basically used to key in data and is text-based input device. It has 104 keys. The next slide is about mouse, game controller and scanner. What is mouse? A mouse is a small input device. It allows an individual to control a pointer to a particular place on the screen. So, it is also called a pointing device. A mouse can easily work with graphical user interface. In short, GUI environment. There are different types of mice such as optical mouse, cordless mouse and trackball. Next is about game controller. The game controller is used for playing computer games. It is an input device. The next is about scanner. It is an input device. It is used for direct entry of data from source document into the computer. It scans the document into a digital form so that it can be easily put into the computer. The next slide is about light pen, microphone and webcam. What is light pen? A light pen is a pen-shaped computer input device. It is a light sensitive device. Its function is to select the text or draw pictures directly on a display screen. Microphone. Microphone is a speech input device, sometimes abbreviated as mic. A microphone is a peripheral hardware. It allows computer users to input audio commands. A mic requires a sound card to be added into the motherboard so that it can be connected to the computer. Next is webcam. A webcam is a camera that feeds its images in real time to a computer or a computer network, often via universal serial bus, in short USB or Wi-Fi. Webcams are embedded into display while they are connected to the USB port on the desktop computer. It is widely used for video conferences. The next slide is about touchpad, touchscreen and barcode reader. What is touchpad? A touchpad is a flat control surface used to move the cursor and perform other functions on a computer. It is an input device. Next is touchscreen. A touchscreen is a flat surface with a sensitive panel directly on that screen. It is specially designed touch-sensitive screen that responds to the touch of the users by detecting the exact location of the user finger on the screen. Next is about barcode reader. A barcode reader is an optical scanner that can read printed barcodes and send the data to a computer. The next slide is about output devices. What is output device? The output device is a device which shows the output in the computer system. Next is about monitor. The monitor is also called as the visual display unit. In short, VDU. There are different types of monitors such as liquid crystal display, in short LCD monitors, light emitting diode, in short LED monitors, and plasma monitors. Printer. A printer is an output device that prints the output on a paper or any other such medium. The printed output is called hard copy. The next slide is about types of printers. Printers can be categorized as impact and non-impact printers. Impact printers. These printers transfer the image onto the paper by physically striking a head or a needle against an ink ribbon to make mark on the paper. They are slow, noisy, inexpensive, and the quality of print is poor. Dot matrix and daisy wheel are the examples of impact printers. The next is about non-impact printers. Non-impact printers work without making any touch between the print head and the surface on which it prints. These printers are faster, noiseless, and printing quality is much superior. Inkjet and laser printers are the examples of non-impact printers. The next slide is about plotters, speakers, and projector. What is plotters? Plotters are used to print high quality graphics on paper. It is useful in generating graphs, charts, and diagrams. It is an output device. Next is speakers. Speakers are output devices allow the user to hear an audio output from the computer. The sound quality is very good since it is a digital sound. Next is about projector. A projector is an output device that takes the display of the computer screen and reproduces them on a large flat surface. It is used in presentation, meeting, conference. The next slide is about removable storage devices. What is removable storage devices? The removable storage devices are devices that can be removed from the computer when the computer system is running. It is used for transferring data and information from one computer system to another system. Examples: CD, DVD, pen drive, Blu-ray disc, external hard disks are the examples of removable storage devices. The next is about compact disc, in short CD. That compact disc is a digital disc used for storing of data such as images, music, and video files. It can hold around 700 MB of data. CDs of three types: CD-ROM, CD-R, CD-RW. The next slide is about digital video disc and Blu-ray disc. What is digital video disc? A digital video disc uses an optical disc technology for storing data. A DVD has 4.7 GB of storage capacity. It can have single or double-sided and can have two layers on each side for storing video, audio, or other information. Nowadays, computers have DVD-CD combo drives which function both as DVD and CD players. The next is about Blu-ray disc, in short BD. Blu-ray disc is also known as Blu-ray. It is high quality optical disc that is used for recording, rewriting, and playing back high definition video. The disc has a storage capacity of up to 25 GB on a single layer disc and 50 GB on a dual layer disc. The next slide is about pen drives or flash drives and external hard disk. What is pen drive? Pen drive is a portable data storage device. It is mainly used for transferring data as they are light and small. The pen drive is also called as USB flash drive because there is a small chip called flash drive to store data and has a USB universal serial bus connector for data transfer. The storage capacity of pen drive can go up to 512 gigabyte, in short GB, and even 1 terabyte, in short TB. Next is about external hard disk. External hard disk is a storage device located outside of computer that is connected through a USB cable or wireless connection. Its storage capacity is of 2 GB to 4 TB. The next slide is about some important terms. PCB, Printed Circuit Board, ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit, CU, Control Unit, MMU, Main Memory Unit, ROM, Read Only Memory, RAM, Random Access Memory, CPU, Central Processing Unit, Modem, Modulator or Demodulator, WWW, World Wide Web, VDU, Visual Display Unit, LCD, Liquid Crystal Display, LED, Light Emitting Diode, DVD, Digital Video Disc, DPI. Dots per inch refers to the output resolution of a printer. USB, Universal Serial Bus, BT, Blu-ray disc, SMPS, Switch Mode Power Supply Unit, TB, Terabyte, GB, Gigabyte, AC, Alternating Current, DC, Direct Current. Students, in this session, I have discussed about components of motherboard and external hardware. Hope all of you have understand this chapter very well. That's all for now. Thank you.